Good morning. My name's Mark Woolley from Electric Hairdressing in London. I'm here at Falmer Court, our global headquarters and farm in the south of England, where we source all of the ingredients and raw materials for the electric product line. And I want to take you on a journey and show you what it means to be part of the electric family. There's lots of hairdressers around the world now that are part of what we're doing, and they're subscribed to our education or they're using the products in their salons. We work with a lot of global artists as well on an individual basis. And I just want to take this time to share with you all the exciting things that we're doing. And then you can share it with your people about what it means to be part of Electric. The things that make Electric different is we've got 30 years of leading industry heritage that has led to our globally renowned education and award-winning salons in London and in the rest of the UK. We work with a world-renowned chemist. We've worked with the same guy since we started. I sit down with him several times a month, and we really push ourselves with formulas. We go through every ingredient, we test it, and we have an army of hairdressers in the UK that we use to do that. So our line is all about performance, it's all about the product working, and it's all about hairdressers being able to get results with them. And when they have it in their salon, they're really part of something, you know, the hashtag Electric Family. We try and be innovative with everything we do. I always like to think we're not just another hairdresser bringing out another product line. We've owned our award-winning salon group now for more than 25 years. In addition to that, we have our own farm here at Falmer Court and global headquarters. We own our own photographic and film studio. And more than that, we're just very nice British people that get along with everybody, and we're truly creating a global community of creative people that we want you to be part of. Welcome to the world of Electric, where we're making handcrafted formulas for leading professionals. I want to tell you a little bit about the brand. Electric is all about people. The product range itself is all made up of families. We have 4 of these families. We have the Hydrate range that starts with a H2 for the water sign. We have the Styling range, which starts with the letter C for Create. We have the Protect range that starts with the letter P. And we have the Treatment range starting with the letter T. All of these codes come from a cult record label in England called Factory Records, who had bands like Joy Division and New Order in Manchester in the 70s and the 80s. And we thought it's a little bit of hidden detail to have that on the product instead of a consumer-orientated name. We've designed the whole Electric range to be black and white and have that monochrome palette. We want it to feel British, we want it to feel design-led, we want it to look amazing on the shelves of some of the world's greatest salons. The only bit of colour we do use in the product line are the codes for the families, and all of those colours, like red for the Styling range and blue for the Hydrate range, come from the colours off the London Underground map. We get a lot of positive comments all the time about how strong the design looks, and especially the black and white and the monochrome feel. To me, that came from David Bailey imagery, it came from architecture, it came from Britain in the 1960s, Carnaby Street, and we put it all into one melting pot. And it's great with some of the new products that have the Aztec, you know, the black and white mixed together and the geometry. I feel strongly that at Electric, we've got one of the most unique stories in the industry. We take every step to source all of our own ingredients and raw materials. We have our own farm in the south of England, and we handcraft every formula. We road test it with some of the world's best session stylists, and from start to finish, developing a product could take us 2 years. But when we bring that product out, we're confident it is among the best in the world. I always want to be absolutely clear with people that we make our products for leading hairdressers and craft hairdressers around the world. And it's important we build that community with this product line, and we've got an amazing following in the UK and Europe. We're building a great following in North America. And for me, it's about that connection with hairdressers. From the word go, this brand has always been about people, and it's always been built on a strong philosophy, it gets me really excited when I start to see hairdressers that I really respect hashtagging electric in. One of the things we shout about is hashtag electric family, hashtag handcrafted formulas, hashtag British brand, and really importantly, hashtag weapons of mass creation. It's important to me as the founder and the global creative director for Electric. I wanted to share all this with you personally, and now I feel I've told you a little bit about the brand, the vibe and what we're about. Now let's show you how the products work.